The Cancer Institute of New Jersey is celebrating an important milestone, its 15th anniversary. CINJ, as it's known, is an important resource because New Jersey has some of the highest cancer rates in the nation. As health and medical correspondent Sarah Lee Kessler reports, the Institute's focus is on patient care and research.
The Cancer Institute of New Jersey in New Brunswick serves more than 80,000 patients a year, patients with all types and all stages of cancer. It's also a major research center. At any given time, more than 200 cancer clinical trials are underway at CINJ. Dr. Roger Strayer, who directs the hematology program here, and Nurse Jackie Minago, his bone marrow transplant coordinator, have worked as a team from the very start, logging 33,000 patient visits.
So it's been very active, and we like to think that one way or another we've helped each and every one of them.
Patients like Munson McLeod, who's a 14-year non-Hodgkin's lymphoma survivor. He was the Cancer Institute's first bone marrow transplant recipient. McLeod considers himself fortunate to have been treated here.
First place, you have to believe in God, okay? Then you have to believe that He's going to connect you with the right people to help you. And then you have to believe in yourself that you can get through it.
It makes me feel great. Being able to be the bone marrow transplant coordinator, I'm able to help these patients find donors for them to help themselves be cured of their disease, so it's very gratifying.
Interestingly, a lot of the leukemia and lymphoma research going on here is being funded by the cancer survivors themselves. People like Scott Glickman, whose Century for the Cure charity bike ride has raised $185,000 for this lab.
And by the efforts of many of our patients, we've been able to explore new therapies that wouldn't otherwise have been explored.
Take some deep breaths.
It's Scott Glickman's way of saying thank you to Dr. Strayer and his team.
Thank you to the doctors and the nurses, but also to help future patients maybe grab a piece of the miracle that I was granted.
Sarah Lee Kessler, NJN News, New Brunswick.